Hi there. Whenever you ask AI like Claude to solve a machine learning problem, it is going to come out with some clear steps. But where did these steps come from? Claude doesn't have any rule book or a flow chart. So what you are seeing here is something very powerful. And once you understand this, you are never going to look at AI in the same way again. So AI at its core is a next word predictor. Every word which it is generating is based on some previous word. So for example, if you type in Titanic survival prediction, it is going to reconstruct what a knowledgeable machine learning practitioner would have said. The model which it uses is called as an LLM or a large language model, which is trained on human knowledge such as machine learning textbooks, research papers, Stack Overflow, Kaggle solutions, etc., etc. And all this knowledge is compressed into weights. So the reconstruction is based on the compressed human knowledge. The mechanism which makes this more precise is called as an attention mechanism. Attention is how model knows which concepts relate to each other. So for example, when model sees imbalanced data set, it is going to fire an attention towards F1 score, but it will suppress attention towards accuracy. This is because it has discovered a pattern based on thousands of machine learning practitioners which are also making the same call. Now let me give you another concrete example which is around Titanic dataset, a very famous, very popular dataset with data scientists. And it has got a column called as name. It has got just raw strings, it kind of looks useless. But when Claude sees it, it is going to fire attention towards a specific pattern of extracting title from the column name. Why? Because thousands of Kaggle notebooks also extract title from this column. So Claude did not reinvent this, it just found the pattern and then it is reusing it. Now let's see another example of attention is when you have tabular data. So attention will be fired to use algorithms like random forest, XGBoost and logistic regression and not deep learning models. And this is because Claude has also learned this pattern from the machine learning practitioners who use mostly XGBoost and random forest to solve tabular data problems. Now let us also look at the output, and you'll notice that sex is the top predictor for Titanic survival challenge. Once again, this is not because Claude has decided, but because every Titanic analysis has the same conclusion that sex is at the top feature for predicting survival rate on Titanic. So in fact, the model is reflecting human insight. Now let me also give you some key takeaways. So first, AI like Claude doesn't know machine learning. It is absorbing the knowledge from machine learning community and is kind of playing it back. Second, the more your problem describes what has been already solved, AI is going to perform better. And third, next time you see a machine learning pipeline generated by AI, don't just use it, but try to understand the pattern which AI has detected, and this is going to help you become a better machine learning practitioner. Now I would like to have your feedback. If AI like Claude has helped you become a better machine learning practitioner, please leave a comment. See you soon in the next video. Please subscribe to the channel and keep learning. Thank you for watching.